Well, we went through an exercise of proving summation in this proof by mathematical induction. All right, now we're going to look at divisibility, proving disability. Why? You may ask. All right, well, it's in front of us. All right, so we say prove that 7 raised to the power of n minus 1 is divisible by 6 for all natural numbers n. Well, first we're going to do a test. Step 1, we're going to take a test. And so let's take 7 raised to the first power minus 1. Is this going to be divisible by 6? Well, 7 raised to the first power is just 7, and 7 minus 1 does in fact equal 6. And 6 is certainly divisible by 6. And so then we begin to ask the question, is this true for n when n equals k plus 1? And we throw in another variable here, and that is r, which is also just an integer. R is an integer. And we write it this way. Then we would say that 7k, we are assuming here, that 7k, we ain't got to this k plus 1 yet, equals, or 7k minus 1 equals 6r. So some integer multiplied by 6. And then we can take and we can say that 7k then is equal to 6r plus 1. Okay, all right. Now, we want to prove if this is true when n is equal to k plus 1. So then we could say then that 7k plus 1. Well, what is 7k? 7 raised to the power of k plus 1. Well, we know that when we multiply exponentials, we just add them. So this is really the same as 7 to the first power times 7k. Well, what did we say that 7k equals right here? That equals 6r plus 1. Well, so let's just set this up. If I multiplied this part by 7 on the left-hand side, then I've got to multiply the right side by 7. And then I asked the question, well, what did we say 7k was equal to? Well, 7k is equal to 6r plus 1. So I got 7 times 6r plus 1 equals 7 times 6r plus 1. Well, certainly we know that to be true. Now, I could even go about this another way. How about if I did it like this? We got 7 times 7k equals 7. What did we say 6r plus 1 equaled? Well, it equals 7k. 7 raised to the power of k, I should say. 7 raised to the power of 7. And so, well, these are reflective. They equal themselves. And so then we can then say that, yes, 7n minus 1 is divisible by 6 for all natural numbers. Why? I ask myself the same question. As I said, I have a hard time getting my head around this mathematical induction.